Hey you guys, so I was just filming a little video for Instagram. I was doing one of those little 1-minute videos, 1-minute makeup. I think that there's a hashtag called 1-minute makeup videos. I'm so addicted to them, so that's why I've been doing more of those lately, because I'm just so addicted to that 1-minute makeup video kind of thing. What do you guys think? Do you prefer those, or do you prefer a YouTube video? I do like doing both. I mean, for me, I love YouTube I really love talking to you guys, and on Instagram you can't really do that. It's just pictures and stuff like that. But I just did, I don't know if you guys saw, but I got a big package from Covergirl, so I wanted to do a look with those palettes that they sent. They sent the royalty palettes, and so there was like 4 different palettes in the collection. So that's what I did today, guys. But to be honest, I used a few of my Covergirl products. I mixed in a lot. I had to go, so this is the look that I did with the palette, but I don't even know, well, definitely this is the shimmer from the palette. And also those new liquid shimmers that they sent. Oh my god, those are amazing. They look just like the Stila. I'll show you guys. Those are really great, but I did mix in a few other eyeshadow palettes because I really needed some deeper purple shades that there really wasn't in the palette that I used. So I had to go ahead. Let me tell you, that GLAMLITE pizza palette is everything. Those GLAMLITE shadows are so flippin' amazing. You can mix them, I don't know, they're just amazing. I don't know how they did, but those GLAMLITE shadows, oh my god, I'll show you guys. But I had to mix in some of their deeper shades because for me, I need, well, to make this kind of look, a more dramatic look, I needed a more intense kind of purple shade. So I'll show you guys. I had to mix in though. And guys, look at this. I'm wearing my Morphe foundation today. I thought I would try it again because I was watching some reviews on YouTube and I said, wow, everybody really hates that Morphe foundation. So I was like, why did I like it so much? I said, let me pull it out again and try it. And again, I just love it. I just love it. I was thinking though, guys, I use my Alegra Beauty Mist when I do my makeup, so maybe that has a lot to do with it, because the mist is amazing. So I spray it on my face before I do my makeup, while I'm doing my makeup, and after. So that might have something to do with it, because the mist is amazing, and it'll be available soon, guys, so you guys can try it out if you'd like. But I am obsessed with it. I cannot live without it, so I'm so happy I got it. It's like I made it selfishly, like almost for myself, because I just, I love makeup and beauty, and you want to look amazing. This is like, everything, my beauty mist. So it is kind of it's not raining out today, but it's a cloudy day. But I think I love this, this kind of weather. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the palette I used today for this. And then this lip is Colourpop Tulle, but then I mixed in the Ursula. So it came out this really, I don't know, I like this color a lot. So it's not, the Ursula is very purple, and then the Tulle is kind of like a burnt, not a burnt red, but it's just one of those kind of burnt shades. And so together they just made the most beautiful combination of life. So for this look. So let me go ahead and show you guys the palette that I used today. I have to do a lot of work today, guys, but I just wanted to pop in and say hi. Let me show you this trees outside my window, guys. It's so beautiful out. So this is the view from my window. Isn't it just, oh my god, I just can't believe how blessed I am. And that tree right there, a whole bunch of cardinals, well, not a whole bunch, 2 cardinals live in that tree. And the other day I heard this really strange singing, and I was like, where's that sound coming from? And it was the cardinal. He was in the tree and he was singing. I've only seen, I thought, 1, but my husband said that he saw 2. So that's nice. It must be like, they must be a little couple. So I'm gonna go, I'll just show you that palette that I used today really quick, and the makeup I used, but it's gonna be up on Instagram soon, this look. So let me know, guys, if you prefer me to do more I've asked you this before, right? Do you prefer Instagram videos or YouTube makeup tutorial videos? I mean, if it's up to me, I don't know. I just love to come on YouTube to talk to you guys, so I don't know. But let me know what you guys prefer for makeup tutorials. Oh, guys, I want to have a giveaway too. I'm going to give away some palettes from the Covergirl royalty collection, so just comment below if you'd like to be entered. I'm going to give away 2 winners. I'm going to pick 2 winners and 2 little bundles of goodies. So let me go ahead and show you guys what's in the giveaway and what I used for this look today. So this is the palette that I used today. This color is so oh my god, it is so gorgeous. What is it called? Glass Slippers. That color came out gorgeous. And then see, there's these kind of lighter shades, which is really nice. Just to deepen it up though, I did add a darker purple from another palette for the outer part of my eye, but I used all of these colors today, so I really love this palette. This is the Ascension palette. And then here are the other palettes in the collection that's coming out. It's to celebrate the royal wedding. So I'm going to pick 3 winners, guys, and each winner will get 1 of each. So there's these 3 palettes. So just comment below if you'd like to be entered. These are so amazing. These are the glitters that are like the Stila. Actually, to be honest, I do like these a little bit even better. I like these better because they were just like super, I don't know, they were just very, very creamy and glittery. So I really love these. These are amazing shadow sticks that they've come out with. So I love those. So I'm going to pick 3 winners. So just comment below and each winner will, like I said, will get 1 palette, 1 glitter, and 1 shadow stick. Hey guys, so I just did, oh, let me turn off you guys probably can hear me right the laundry. Let me go outside. So guys, I just got these in the mail. This is from Home Nutrition, and I don't know if you guys seen, but I have posted about them before. I've been taking them for like about a month or so now, and I absolutely love them. So I'm not sure if they had seen where I was talking about them in another video, but they contacted me and they did send me some of these vitamins for you guys if you want to try. So I am going to be having a giveaway for the red carpet, their red carpet vitamin. This is their vitamin for glowing skin, and it just helps your hair to grow and just look shiny. And they also have this vitamin as well for a giveaway. This is their Flatter Me vitamin. So this just helps support a flatter stomach and healthy digestion. And what I really like about Hum is that they have a nutritionist and a dietitian that you can contact, and they will, you know, go over the vitamins with you, let you know if they're good, you know, if they're a right fit for you, answer any questions that you might have. So this, I do believe this is the only vitamin company where they have a registered dietitian and nutritionist on hand to answer your questions and just to help you however you need. So if you'd like to enter this giveaway, just also comment below that you'd like to take part for the Hum giveaway. So I'm giving away these 2 right here. These ones I gotta keep for myself, guys, because I love them and they're so flippin' amazing. So I actually have been taking this. Like I said, I take this one and I absolutely love it. Oh my god, guys, do you hear that? It's always raining here. And I've been taking this one as well, so I absolutely love these. And I've been taking this one. This is like, I can't even live without this. Actually, if I don't take my collagen, my skin just looks so bad. This is actually how my nails have grown so much, because I do take these vitamins and my nails grow, my hair grows, my skin is just plumped up. So these vitamins are just super, super amazing. They are available at Sephora. They have no sugar, no, you know, they're carbohydrate free, so they're keto friendly, Atkins friendly, you know, diabetic friendly. They, like I said, they don't have any sugar. I do believe they have a gummy version with sugar, but I prefer not to eat too much sugar, so I just stick with these, and I absolutely love them. So definitely comment below, guys, if you'd like to enter to win this Hum Nutrition duo right here. And also, guys, definitely make sure you use their hashtag if you do take the vitamins already, or when you win, use their hashtag start within so they can see your pictures, see what you're posting, so this way you guys can get reposted. And a lot of times they will send you samples or free stuff to try, so always look on the company's Instagram of a company that you like, and then they'll list their hashtag, and that's how they're finding your pictures and things like that. So and then they, you know, they will send you, you know, different things to try. So I know I had spoken about them, and that's why they did reach out to me, because I had been taking these without them paying my own money, you know. I buy them at Sephora, and actually they did also send a coupon code, so I'll link it below, and also where you can contact the nutrition, and you're gonna get 15% off with that coupon that I'm gonna list right here and below. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go because it is so loud in my house right now, and it's starting to rain outside, but it's getting crazy out here. Definitely take part if you want to win the Covergirl bundle or the home nutrition, or say either or. Just comment below and let me know. So we're gonna pick 4 winners from all these giveaways today. So that's pretty awesome, right? And my Alegra Try Beauty Mist is gonna be out soon, so I cannot wait, guys. It actually is in my house right now. Well, I've had my own supply, but they're just like in the tester bottles, so I don't want to show it to you guys yet, but I'll show you guys next time. But I can't wait for you guys to try it. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I love you.